Going on, guys? Today I figured I'd make a video on my McCulloch 1010 chainsaws and give you a little bit of history behind them and just a little bit about them. I'm not too far up on these McCulloch 1010s, but I know a little bit about them, just enough to tell somebody. So my earliest one, I believe, would be this one here, because it doesn't have the little holes in the handle. And it's a Mac 1010A lightweight chainsaw. And the right hand start with the wrapped handle. This one is an automatic oiler. It's got a pretty decent bar on it. On and off, choke, the oiler. And this one here I got, I wanted both the lightweights. I believe the 1010s came out in 1967, I do believe. I do think, or the 110 came out in 67, maybe 66. The 1010, maybe 69, 68. I'll have to do some research and I'll put it in the video if I'm wrong about it. This is my next one, McCulloch 1010 lightweight chainsaw. This one, I believe it's a little newer just because it has the holes in the handle here. And I'm not sure about this gas cap. It's pretty neat. Maybe this one has the wrong one. Or maybe that one might be earlier. I'm not sure. It's got the log spike on it. It's got a pretty decent, what's that up? Made in Canada. I'm not really sure what kind of bar that is. Probably Windsor. And it's also right-hand start. I wanted both the lightweights because they look cool with that decal like that. The earlier ones do have a different kill switch on them, I've noticed. The later ones were black and the later ones were red. So this is it's probably a 69 maybe. And probably a 69 too. Late 60s, early 70s on both of these, I know for a fact. And we'll go over here to this one because this is my other one that's a little bit newer. This one, it's probably a 73, just guessing, maybe a 74 because it doesn't have the chain brick. It looks like there used to be one in there, maybe or maybe not. This one's probably 73, 74-ish. This one, a kill switch came out on me, just fell off, so I put a little hole right here and just put a kill switch right there. Works fine. This is the one I use. If I use a 1010 or probably in McCulloch, this is the one I use besides the 610. This always ran good for me. I've noticed this this little emblem right here was pre-75, I think. Pre-74 or something like that, if it looks like that. The later ones have little mountains. And that's that one. It has the, it's just probably an organ bar. It's pretty neat. Different mufflers. This one has, just a regular, slip muffler. This one's like a reed muffler. It's a little different. And that one, the muffler's just kind of blowed out on that one. I'm gonna go to this one next. This is a 1976 McCulloch Mac 1010 automatic. It's in pretty good shape. I got this from across the street neighbor. Gave it to me. He's in my collection. He said he had an old saw. That was his dad's. He bought it in 76, brand new. This one here, it's got the chain brake. This is 76, it has the chain brake on it. It's pretty neat. Didn't the clutch covers change? No, the clutch cover did not change. I thought they did, but this one has, and it's got just a regular, muffler that has this little slits in it. These are piston ported saws, 54 cc's, I think. Yeah. It's a good old saw. This one here is a McCulloch Pro Mac 1010 electronic ignition. This is probably an 82 saw, and it has the little safety trigger release. It's just a banana bar, not the best, but it's okay. Chain brake again on this one. This one's in pretty decent shape too. They got the red kill switch. And they kind of changed a little bit. Like the gas tank and the air filter cover kind of match up instead of being two separate things. Take the air filter off on this one, the cover, and let y'all look at it. It's nice not having to have any tools. It's the air filter. It has a serial number right there. Kind of carburetors it have. It probably has a Walbro. Made in Japan. On the front, it's probably Walbro. Made in Japan, or maybe a Zama. I'm not really sure. I know all the other ones have Walbros in them. So I guess we'll fire some of them up here and let y'all hear. Maybe we'll go cut a piece of wood, see how they do. Start with this one here. This is just the manual oiler one. Had it running earlier. It should start. McCulloch 1010A. '76 McCulloch 1010.